Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put real products and people into VO3 and turn them into professional looking ads. So let's start with a simple example, like a protein power brand. So imagine we're making an ad for our protein. So the first step is to save an image of the product, ideally one with a clean white background. Then inside Google Flow or whatever platform we're using with VO3, we'll paste in a prompt to generate a person for the ad. So for this one, I'll ask VO to create a muscular bodybuilder standing in a gym, filmed on an iPhone in natural light. So you can tweak the details like changing the shirt color until you get a look you like. So once the video is generated, pick a solid frame where the person looks natural. So let's take a screenshot of that and save it. Now head over to Canva, create a new project, and upload both the screenshot of the person and the product photo. So place them together on the canvas. At this point, open up ChatGPT or any AI prompting tool and ask it to create a detailed prompt for a video generation model like VO3. For example, make the man reach down to the counter, grab the bag of protein powder, hold it up, and say, "This is the best protein." So it should look like a realistic ad for my protein. So copy the generated prompt, paste it into Canva as text, and add an arrow pointing to the product so VIA knows exactly what the person should interact with. So let's find the arrow and draw it in here. After that, save this image as a PNG, so download it. Now back in Google Flow, switch to frames to video mode. Upload your Canva image, add a simple prompt like protein powder ad, and let's hit generate. So you'll see VO transform the flat image into a realistic 3D style ad where the product is actually being used.
This is the best protein.
This is the best protein. I use it every day to fuel my workouts. If you want results, this is the one to trust.
This is the best protein. I use it every day to fuel my workouts. If you want results, this is the one to trust.
And it doesn't just work for supplements, you can repeat the same steps for other products. For this second example, I said the scene features a man proudly showing off his shoes. The camera tilts down to focus on his purple Nike shoes as he naturally gestures toward them. He looks at the camera and says, "Look at my new kicks," and then he adds, "These Nike shoes are the perfect mix of style and comfort." Finally, he says with excitement, "You've got to get a pair. They make every step feel amazing," etc., etc. Hit generate, and here's the result. So screenshot which one you like the most, and then go back to Canva and upload the shoes and the screenshot from VO3. So let's change this prompt up here. So I have my generated prompt from ChatGPT, and after that, let's download it. And let's go back to VO3, upload the image from Canva, and let's add a prompt like "ad for blue Nike shoes." Hit generate. And these are the results.
Look at my new kicks. These Nike shoes are the perfect mix of style and comfort. You've got to get a pair. They make every step feel amazing.
You'll get a clean ad featuring the sneakers in action. You can also switch up the actor. So let's say you're advertising a new energy drink. So instead of a bodybuilder, generate a woman standing in the office, upload the product image of the drink into Canva, then ask ChatGPT for a prompt where she picks up the drink, smiles, and shows it off. So run it through the same process.
Meet my secret weapon, Go Girl Energy Drink. One sip and I'm ready to crush my day.
and you'll get a lifelike polished commercial. So the great thing about this workflow is that you can combine real product shots with AI generated people, making professional ads without needing cameras, lights, or actors, and just a few prompts, a Canva board, and VO3, and you're set. So if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and check out the next video on screen so you'll pick up even more tricks for making ads with AI. See you in the next one. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you Pixie from Technique Force. Let AI take over your photo editing. Bye-bye hard work and Photoshop. Create illustrations, photos, ads, logos, and more with the world's best AIs. Hundreds of ready-made workflows. Forget prompts. Just click and generate. 10 plus AI models, exclusive and secret AIs included. Generate high-quality images with just a click. Create and edit photographs, illustrations, posters, signs, logos, ads, thumbnails, and anything else you can imagine with exclusive high-quality AI models. Unleash the creative imagination of AI at your command. Create beautiful logos, banners, signs, and other advertising graphics easily. Huge ready-made prompt and workflows library. Download in the size you want. Remove backgrounds from any image. Upscale images and restore photographs. 150 plus ready workloads. Click and create easy. No need to be a prompt magician. Pixie is your magic. Perfect AI calibration and control. Upload any image and rework it. Use every top image AI. Use them all. Searchable repository of your images. Get access to hidden and open source AIs. Get uncensored AI generators. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Pixie now. Just go to getpixie.in.